Hi guys, I recently redecorated my bathroom like a spa. If you want to see how I created this faux plant and how my bathroom came out, stay tuned. So this is going to be quick and easy. We're going to make a plant for the bathroom above the toilets. This is all the things we'll be needing. I got this from At Home, $1.49. This was $2.99 from At Home, and I have rocks from the Dollar Tree, and it was a whole bunch of rocks. Open the rocks and put it in the cup. So now that I have opened the rocks, I will place it in the cup halfway, and then I will add the plant. Place the plant inside, like so. Real easy. And some people glue it. Wow, these rocks can get pretty messy. I'm just gonna fill it all the way to the top. And I'll be back and show you the finished product. What I did was, after I put the rocks, I kind of like pushed it in, and you can spread the leaves out to your adjustment however you like. And so cute, right? So here we have it. This is the final look of everything. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. If you want to add some greenery to your bathroom, this was the great addition to mine. Have fun doing it. I'll attach a picture to show you. Thank you. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe.